Almost at the end, we are going to talk about the utilization. So how do you actually use this meter? Now, it's all about how you give the information to the pilot. Now, first and foremost, you read everything, expand it to the pilots. This is why you need to know what different things mean. You have to tell the expanded version. Remember, just as a recap, the vertical feet and height, they're given in feet. So it's scattered 4,300 feet. When it's lateral, so the length, that is given in meters, like visibility is 8,000 meters. Now we're going to take a couple of different examples here at the end for how you can say the different ones. Now, if we look at this nice long meter, how would you give this to a pilot? You would say Scandinavian 123, weather in Billund, time 0500, automatic observation. Wind 250 degrees at 10 knots, variable between 190 and 280 degrees. Visibility 7,000 meters, light rain. Few at 300 feet, scattered 700 feet, overcast 4,000 feet. Temperature 18, dew point 16, QNH 998, NOSIC. Runway conditions, all runway covered with 5 millimeters of dry snow extending between 26 and 50%, braking action medium good. Now notice a couple of different things here. How the visibility is given in meters whenever it's below 9999. And when you give the Modner code, you can give it with all the information. If you don't have the quick sheet by your hand, you can alternatively just use the runways and the braking action. These are the two most important things to give. Now let's go take another one. This one. This is a normal low visibility report. North Shuttle 116, weather in Kastrup, time 0840, wind variable 3 knots, visibility 250 meters, RVR runway 22 left, more than 2,500 meters, no change, fog, vertical visibility 100 feet, temperature 18, dew point 18, QNH 1000, becoming visibility more than 10 kilometers, scattered at 3,000 feet. Again, notice how the visibility is given in kilometers when it's above 9,999. And once the visibility comes with the 50 is involved, give them in single digits. So not say 250, but say 250 meters. Now the last one, which can be like this, a very rainy summer day. Scandinavian 456, weather in Aarhus, time 1100, automatic observation. Winds 100 degrees at 15, gusting 25. Visibility more than 10 kilometers. Non-directional variation. Heavy rain. Few 2,500 towering cumulus. Overcast 7,000. Temperature 31. Dew point 28. QNH 1028. Tempo visibility 4,000 meters. Thunderstorms with hail. Now, remember, there's two additional things when you tell the pilots a meter. There are actually two different informations that you cannot find in the meter, which you need to know before you give it to the pilots. The first one is you got to know the runway in use. Normally it's located here. Second thing is you must give the transition level. This you can find by knowing the transition altitude and the QNH. More about this if you read the document of TA versus TL. Now these two things you must give, and the pilot, he must read back two things. One thing is the transition level, the other thing being the QNH. So let's take an example about this. Scandinavian 572, weather in Copenhagen, time 1100, runway in use 22 left, wind 240 degrees 10 knots, transition level 60, cav OK, temperature 17, dew point 5, QNH 1018, NOSIC. The pilot will then read back the two things, transition level 60, QNH 1018, Scandinavian 572. That's it for this presentation. This presentation is complete. Now dig into the documents, get an overview of the different terms, go into the test, practice your knowledge. That's it. Good luck.